Brendan?
Hello, Farmer Brian.
So you got the blender out here.
Yeah, we're in part 2 of our eggplant mini-series here. Like I mentioned before, if you didn't see the other video, I have a ton of eggplants growing at my house right now. So we're going to use them up with, you know, Farmer Judy and Farmer Brian's lunches. So last time we made some ratatouille. This time we're going to make what's called BABA GHANOUSH. Again, eggplants, full of fiber, vitamin C and B6, and antioxidants. Aubergine is the French name. So if you want to win a trivia contest one day, you'll know that eggplant is aubergine in French. Baba ganoush is not French. It's actually from the Eastern Mediterranean and what's called Levantine cuisine, which encompasses an entire area in the Eastern Mediterranean, not one country, but a large swath of land. Our recipe is pretty simple. 2 eggplants, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup tahini, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. The first step, though, is we need to cook the eggplant. So we're going to roast it. And this is going to take a few minutes, so we're going to do this first. I'm just going to take these guys because they're almost the exact same size. And be careful of the spikes because they have lots of spikes on the top. We're just going to take the top off and a little bit of the bottom. Careful of spikes. And what we're going to do is we're just going to half these guys. And I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Just take a little knife or fork or spoon, spread the olive oil around a little bit, and then we're just going to put a little salt and pepper on them. And carefully place them in. And we're going to let those guys roast on 400 for about probably 10-15 minutes. We'll check on them in a few minutes. And the eggplant are beautifully roasted and nice and soft. And we're just going to peel them. And the easiest way to do that is just kind of peel the sides a little bit. Give yourself a little bit of room there. And we're just going to take a spoon and we're just going to scoop out the insides. We don't need the skins. Here, we'll just scoop them right out.
Oh, yeah.
So we can get the eggplant, a roasted eggplant, right in our blender. Or food processor if you need to. Okay. And we need the rest of our ingredients. So 2 cloves of garlic. I already have the garlic all chopped up here. 2 cloves of garlic. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we have our fresh lemons from the lemon tree. And that's about it. We only need a half of one.
Oh.
You can see
That was a juicy one.
there's measurements on here, so it has the little tablespoons on there. Lemon juice. And what's next? Tahini. Tahini is sesame seeds. It's just ground up sesame seeds. It's basically the sesame seed of peanut butter. So if peanuts just ground up make peanut butter, sesame seeds ground up make tahini. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup. I have my 1/4 cup measuring cup here of tahini. Make sure you stir it really well. 1/4 cup tahini. Okay. And a little bit of olive oil. It says a 1/4 cup on there because we used a little bit when we brushed the eggplant, so I'm just going to give it a little splash. We don't need much more than that. And then our salt and pepper. So baba ganoush is essentially almost exactly the same way you'd make hummus, except you're using eggplant instead of garbanzo beans. And we're going to blend it up and we'll see what our consistency looks like. If it's too thick, we can add a little more lemon juice. If it's too thin, we can add a little more tahini. But this should work out just right. You'll see it's nice and smooth, just like hummus. It's still a little warm. That's fine. Just gonna get a little bit on our plate here. I have a little bit of paprika here. It's always nice to garnish your hummus and your baba ganoush with a little paprika, make it look a little authentic. And we'll have some, let's have some cucumber chips with it. Spread these guys out. There we go.
Delicious.
Fresh eggplant baba ganoush. Looks just like hummus, right? Very simple, very healthy, very, very healthy. Mediterranean dish to add to our eggplant repertoire.
Great. Thanks, Chef Brendan. I can't wait to try it.
Dig in.
It looks amazing.